What is up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed the last couple of videos. For today's video, you guys have seen the title. I have finally got my dream wheels. And yeah, this wheel was offered for R33, R34 Skyline, GTR as well. So you guys probably guessed that with my NISMO addiction. If you think is LMGT4, please pause the video, put 1 down in the comment section below. I want to see how many people think I got LMGT4. Without further ado, I'm not gonna make you guys wait for any longer. Not an LMGT4. If you guys know, you know it is just like the V35 Skyline or the G35. It's the most hated child in the LMGT family, or the most unfamous one. And this is none other than the LMGT3 2-piece. Now they only come in 2-piece. So LMGT3 genuine NISMO. And this set of wheels probably, well, not worth more than my car, but almost. And I will show you guys the rear as well. And I get it, the fitment is absolutely trash, but being 2-piece, I can rebuild these into 3-piece, or you know, another 2-piece that is a lot wider. And these are 18 by 8 square, because you know, being GTR, you gotta have all 4 corners matching, same width and same size. So they are 18 by 8 all around, and the offset is, I believe, 38 or something like that. It's a shame that the sticker is so old. These wheels, I think they are 1999. The sticker is all rubbed off in the back, but still got a 1999 date on there. I guess this side is a better understanding of what it actually looked like with the center cab, which is pretty rare. You guys seen the other side, I've got bits broken off on the center cab. So only 2 came with center cab. I think the plan for that is I'll 3D scan that and make it out of like a 3D printer or something, just, you know, have all 4 matching. And also the paint is not in its best condition, but again, as I was saying again, it was crazy even finding these wheels, let alone, you know, worry about the paint condition. I'm not even like, I don't even care, you know, if it's got paint on there or not. It's just finding this is like crazy, guys, absolutely crazy. And another crazy thing is I've got the Brembo package now, and I just want to show you guys the clearance. We're talking about like less than a mil, I'd say. Like you'd fit a piece of paper through, and that's about it. It's like meant to be, you know what I mean? Oh man. And the NISMO like is engraved into the spoke. It's like painted. It's so cool. When it comes to old genuine NISMO wheels, nothing can beat these. Like the old Nissan, I feel like these wheels are the perfect wheels for them. And yes, I know you guys say, oh, it's a G35, you know, it doesn't deserve these wheels, but I mean, still, yeah, right hand drive, it's, I call it a Skyline, even though it's the same as a G35. And I think the car looked absolutely great on these wheels. Like, look at it. Just honestly, just imagine it with some bigger barrel and bigger lips. Like, it just looks so fucking good. And look at the back. Like, damn. I can't get over how good these look. I know you guys seen the 370 and yeah, not mine. But yeah, that just shows they need to be a lot wider, especially the rear. Like I'm fitting a not quite a fist, but like, you know, like now I don't know if I should keep this 18 or do a step lip setup and step it to 19. Obviously 18 is sort of the what my wheels currently are, those black ones, but if I go to 19 I can make the car go even lower but then still have the same ground clearance, just because, you know, a bigger wheel, probably bigger tire as well. I don't like how skinny these tires are. I'm personally more of a meaty tire person, even though I'm running stretch. So yeah, leave it down in the comment section below. Like, should I go 19 or stay 18? If I stay 18, I can have the two-piece I still have the two-piece wheel, because I can keep the barrel and the lip one piece and the faces are a piece and keep a two-piece. But if I step up to 19, it's got to be three-piece wheel, which I guess costs a little bit more. And also another thing is color. And do you guys think I should keep the genuine NISMO silver color? Because I do know they came in white and silver, and I think that's the only two colors they ever came with. Me being me, I'm not gonna go with any other color like black. I'm just gonna keep either silver or white. What do you think? Like, what color do you guys think? Please put it down in the comment section below. At the moment, I'm probably preferring silver just a little bit more. You know, I just think it suits the car a bit better. But yeah guys, what do you think of the new wheels? Is it a 100%? I say it's an upgrade, even though it's weaker in spec. But man, you can't beat, like, it's NISMO and it's rear. Like LMGT3, I feel like it's probably the most rear ones in the whole LMGT family. I feel like there are a lot of LMGT 1 and 2 just because arguably they probably look a little bit better to most people. To me, I like the skinnier spoke LMGT3, and obviously LMGT4 is like the most common ones, and LMGT4 got the longest production time, all the way from like late 90s, I think 1999 maybe. The GTR got LMGT4. I think the GTR R34 got LMGT4 as a factory option from NISMO. The GT4 started from then all the way till now. They're still making like LMGT4s, but they just have a limited run on them. So I'll say LMGT4 is probably the most common and easiest to find, and the 1 and 2, it's had a lot shorter production, same as 3. I feel like 3 is probably the shortest production time, so that probably makes it the rarest. And I don't even know if it's a word, rarest, but yeah. And in my opinion, it's just, you know, like, it's just sick. Like, there's no other word for it. Oh guys, you can tell I'm excited, and personally I can't wait to get these rebuilt. The lips, the barrel, I think all have to be custom, just simply because not many people rebuilt these wheels, or not many LMGT3s around. I don't know how much it's gonna cost me. Like, I would say probably close to 2 grand. I mean, something like that. Hopefully not. And yeah, I would definitely make a video when it comes to rebuilding these wheels, so stay tuned for that one. And if you like these wheels on this car, please, if you like this video as well, again, you know the deal, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And that'll be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.